This is part 2 of organizing and decluttering all of my 2-piece sets. I left off with this on part 1. It was a yes. So let's get right back into it. This denim blazer set from Zara needs to be steamed. It is so good. It's a yes. I just got this little striped set from Aerie. So cute for vacation or the spring and summer. It's a yes. There is a reason the tags are still on this. I don't know what I was thinking. Absolutely not. No, 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 no. I'm having a hard time zipping this, but it's another denim 2-piece set. This is from Pretty Little Thing. It is one of my favorite sets that I own. So it's obviously a yes. This zebra blazer set is so cool. The tag's still on it because I haven't worn it yet, but it's vibes and it's a yes. This linen billabong set needs to be steamed, but I love it for vacation and it's a yes. This linen show post set is absolutely stunning. Yes, yes, yes. This set is so gorgeous. Has the open back. It's a yes. I love this set from Windsor. Another open back. So cute. It's a yes. I'm not even trying this on. I hate it. It's a no. This little lounge set is cute. We're going yes. I am obsessed with this linen set from Cider. It's a yes. Also obsessed with this white set from Zara. It's so classy. I love it so much. It's a yes. This set from Sabo is gorgeous. It has the open back. It's a yes. I have another one of these sets where the pants are too short. I'm not even trying it on. It's going to the nose. Last but not least, you guys, we made it. This is cute for spring and summer. I don't know if I'll ever wear it, but I'm going to say yes just in case. That completes all the 2-piece sets. I got rid of 9 sets, which is pretty good. The donation pile is really starting to stack up over there. Come back for part 3 because I will be hanging them all back up, color coordinating them, maybe finding some better hangers for 2-piece sets. Thanks for hanging out in my closet again, you guys. I can't believe you love these videos so much. I'm going to keep them coming as much as I can. Bye, guys.